Understanding why humans have a propensity for conflict and war is a complex endeavor that involves a combination of historical, psychological, socio-political, and evolutionary factors. In this 5-minute explanation, I'll provide a concise overview of some key reasons behind the recurring theme of human conflict. 1. Evolutionary roots. Human history is shaped by a primal instinct for survival and competition. In our ancestral environments, resources like food, water, and shelter were limited, and competition was essential for survival. Over time, this instinctual drive for resources evolved into a desire for power, territory, and influence. 2. Competition for limited resources have often fueled conflicts throughout history. Control over valuable resources such as land, water, minerals, and trade routes has historically been a catalyst for territorial disputes and war. As societies expanded and resources grew scarcer, competition escalated into conflict. 3. Power struggles and hierarchies. Human societies naturally organize themselves into hierarchies. The desire for power, dominance, and control is deeply ingrained in our social structures. These power struggles, whether on a local or global scale, often lead to conflicts as individuals and groups vie for supremacy. 4. Ideological differences. Divergent beliefs, ideologies, and values can drive people apart. Conflicts often arise when different groups clash over political, religious, or cultural differences. The conviction that one's beliefs are superior can intensify conflicts and make compromise challenging. 5. Nationalism and identity. Nationalism and a strong sense of identity can foster unity within a group, but can also lead to conflicts with others who have different identities. Boundaries between nations and ethnic groups, while often arbitrary, can become deeply ingrained and trigger conflicts over territory and sovereignty. 6. Psychological factors. Psychological elements, such as fear, mistrust, and the need to defend oneself, can escalate conflicts. Miscommunication, misunderstandings, and lack of empathy can contribute to the escalation of disputes. 7. Socio-political factors. Socio-political factors like economic inequality, governance issues, and lack of resources can exacerbate conflicts. When people feel disenfranchised or oppressed, they may resort to violence as a means of addressing grievances. In conclusion, the reasons humans are often at war with each other are multifaceted and interconnected. Evolutionary instincts, competition for resources, power dynamics, ideological differences, national identity, psychological factors, and socio-political issues all play a role. Understanding these factors can contribute to efforts aimed at promoting peace, diplomacy, and conflict resolution on both local and global scales.